how to buy Super Trust token. So this token came under the symbol of SUT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now first of all, go to contract, as you can see, and click here to copy the token address, and this token address is under the Polygon network. Now open your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and select the Polygon for that. You can search for it, as you can see. Now this is our network, click on it. After that, click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. So this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, as you can see. And after that, this is our token. Now click on it. Now here click on swap. Now switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. In a while you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. So this is. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy SUT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.